Stop scrolling if you're ready to unlock a secret weapon and seriously boost your coin earnings on Temu. Alright, step 1. Let's find those hidden coin opportunities. Open your Temu app and tap on the search bar at the very top of the screen. Now, type in earn coins. Seriously, just those 2 words. And then tap the search button to see what Temu has in store for you today. This search will unveil a treasure trove of coin earning games and promotions. You'll likely see things like Fishland, Farmland, and other limited events. Each one offers different ways to rack up those coins. Let's take Fishland as an example. Tap on it and start playing. The key here is consistency. Visit these games daily and complete all the tasks they offer. These tasks might include feeding your fish, inviting friends, or even just browsing specific products. Inviting friends is a super effective way to boost your coin earnings. Look for the invite friend option within these games. Share your referral link with your friends and family. When they sign up and start using Temu, you'll get a coin bonus. Keep an eye on the Temu homepage for flash sales and promotional banners. Temu frequently runs special promotions that offer coin bonuses. These bonuses are often tied to specific products or spending thresholds, so pay attention to the details to maximize your rewards. Don't miss out on any of these opportunities. Go to your Temu settings and ensure your notifications are turned on. This way, Temu will alert you about new coin earning promotions and events. Once you've accumulated enough coins, it's time to redeem them for awesome discounts. Navigate to your account section and find the coins section. From there, you can exchange your coins for coupons. Apply these coupons to your orders and enjoy the savings. So, there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be swimming in Temu coins in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more Temu tips and tricks, and hit that like button if you found this helpful. What's your favorite way to earn coins on Temu? Let me know in the comments below.